know that.
I'm trying to relax, Mom. Please.
Relax. What are you relaxing from? Doing nothing all day?
Oh, and you're what? Busy boiling slippers?
Don't be ridiculous. I'd never boil a slipper. I love slippers.
Oh my God. Please leave me alone. I can't listen to it anymore.
I can't listen to you anymore. You constantly crying.
I am not crying.
You want me to make some pulled pork?
No, I don't want pulled pork.
Oh, you're starving yourself?
Oh, Christ.
He won't help you if you get too skinny in quarantine. You want to play badminton if you think you're fat?
I can't go outside. I can only and exclusively look at your face.
What's wrong with my face?
Nothing.
What are you saying about my face?
Well, I was going to say that it looks like a buttered ham, but I'm not going to.
Well, I was going to say that you're a 40-year-old failure who can't get a date, but I'd never say that to a person I care for.
I'm gonna go crazy in here.
Oh, you're going crazy. I'm almost 100 years old and I have to go to the shop because you're too scared. If I didn't go, we'd be eating dog food and pennies.
Wow, you look terrible for 100.
Your jokes are not funny.
Oh my God, what else? What else is wrong with me?
Are you crying?
I'm lonely, Mom. I'm confused. I'm depressed. I'm nothing.
Please don't talk like that. You're fabulous. Tell Mama what's wrong.
I'm scared. I'm terrified.
Of what?
Of everything. Of other people. Of the future. I'm in pain. And I know other people are suffering, but I don't have time to worry about them. It's just me, over and over again. I'm a horrible, selfish nightmare. I go into this spiral of just thinking and thinking and thinking until I'm completely alone with my thoughts. It's just me and the idea of me failing, being lost, of me being alone forever. And it's almost like the idea of being sad and alone is easier than the idea of being happy, because then at least that way I know I'm getting what I deserve. I hate me, but I can't think of anything but me, so...
But Frog, my love, everything is you already.
Please, Mom.
No, love. Everything and everyone exists because you exist. And you exist because they exist.
Oh, what do you say? Are you Socrates now?
No, I'm saying you and your world. It's the same thing. You, the giraffe, chewing on leaves. The dog that can't find his owner. The woman who will never meet. The forest you visited as a boy. That bird you used to sit on your car and poop on it all day. Every memory. Every stupid joke, the days you've had and what you've seen and everyone and everything in the world that you know or don't know about, the sooner you realize that everything exists together and you are part of that together. The less lonely I'll feel, the less lonely I'll feel. That's right. You're never alone. And you're not fat. Now stop talking to yourself. Stop talking to yourself. Stop talking to yourself. I'm losing my mind. Oh, you're not losing anything. You just thought you needed me, but you don't need me. But I do. I miss you, Mom. I miss you too, Frog. But you have everyone else. You hear them? You hear? You see? Yes. We're all here together. We're all here together.
together. Oh, my boy, we fight, but you're fabulous. You really are so wonderfully fabulous.